What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Quinnstead fall time vlog. Got a lot of awesome stuff planned for this fall, huh, Sam?
Yeah.
We are very busy, but first thing we need to go to... Let's go to the feed store. Let's go. I'm gonna take the good old Danger Ranger. Comment below if you ever had a car like this. Old school. All right, let's see if this bad boy will crank. Oh yeah. All right, we got our chicken feed. Let's go feed us some chickens. Back here on the Quinnstead with our chicken feed. Let me show you why we needed this chicken feed. We are doing our fall round of meat chickens here, and they are out of feed, so we need to feed these guys. Whoa, chickens on the loose. We'll let these guys graze around while we're filling their feed up. This is my awesome chicken tractor. I did make a build video on this, so I'll leave a link in the description for this guy if you want to check it out. Excuse me. Who's hungry? Oh, here they come. Oh, now they know. There you go. Man, y'all are so hungry. I just fed you last night. The thing with meat chickens is that they eat a lot. And that's what they're designed to do, is just to eat, grow, drink, and poop. We are working on a video on our process for raising meat chickens from start to finish, so keep an eye out for that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Like I said, we got a lot of stuff planned this fall. Let's see, what are we doing?
Currently shopping online.
Shopping online. Halloween's coming up soon, so we're gonna do some Halloween stuff. This is gonna be doing a home preparedness, self-reliance, emergency preparedness fair at our church. Probably gonna go to a football game this fall. That'll be fun. But first,
trick-or-treating.
but first, we gotta clean up this yard. Let's show you our fall garden too while we're at it. So if y'all remember from that summertime vlog, the heat that came in this summer just kind of ravished our garden. And not only our garden, anybody who I knew that had gardens, pretty much, they all died because how hot it got. We did set a new record this summer actually with heat. In July in our area, we hit 111. But once that heat broke, our fall garden started making a comeback. These tomatoes survived through the summer heat and everything. So they're starting to produce again. We got some, gonna have a bunch of tomatoes on there soon. We got this big old watermelon vine coming through. We got a watermelon over here, growing, sitting in the hat for support. That's gonna be delicious. Our pepper plants survived the heat of the summer, so they're producing again. We got some jalapenos. We got some absolutely gigantic loofahs going up here. Ooh, let me show you this. This is just kind of an experimental raised bed made out of a pallet, and I think it's actually working really good. Alyssa took old feed bags and lined the bottom with it to hold the dirt in. Back up, Riley. And the wood here acts as kind of a weed barrier, and it also acts like as like kind of like mulch, where it helps keep the moisture inside, so you don't have to worry about weeding or moisturing, and you have your nice rows that you can plant anything. So pretty cool little idea. If you don't have a lot of money, you want a little cheap raised bed, use some recycled materials and you can have a little garden yourself. Let's show you this here. This is kind of our newest addition, and I think it's pretty awesome. This is a vertical planter by GreenStalk that we're trying out here, and it's actually really awesome. You can fit a lot of plants in here. Each one of 30. How many? 30. 30, 1, 2, yeah, 30 plants. So if you have a small space that you still want to garden in, like maybe an apartment balcony or patio or something like that, and you don't have room for a big raised bed like this, go check these guys out. We'll leave a link in the description of where we got it and everything too. So not sponsored, just like it. We like it so far. We got some tomatoes in here, some beans, some, what is this, cilantro? Parsley. What's this? Dill. So, but you can plant all sorts of plants in here. You can even plant corn in here, they said, according to their thing. So yeah, keep an eye out for future videos on this. We'll see how it kind of goes over the next year or so, and how much produce we get out of it. But like I said, we need to get this yard clean. This is a mess. Here's our patio that we've been working on. Go check out the videos on that. Let me show you our other little baby chicks here. Got the shade cloth on them. Let's see. These are our bantam chicks. There you go. Hi. They're silkies. And they're gonna be tiny, tiny. Even when they're full grown, they'll still be pretty small. I think we're gonna keep these as yard chickens, right?
Yeah, to help with the pest.
Help with bugs in the yard.
And I would just want one to snuggle.
Unless it wants a snuggly one. But I am gonna build them a super awesome yard coop. So it's gonna be really cool. If you're really into like old school stuff, subscribe, because you're not gonna wanna miss this coop. It's gonna be freaking rad. This is our booth at our church's Self-Reliance Fair, and it was really awesome getting to meet people from our local community and being able to talk to them about gardening, preserving your own food, raising your own chickens, and all the fun stuff that we get to do on our homestead. All right, Sam, you ready to go trick-or-treating?
Yeah!
Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, wait a second. We live out in the country. We don't have any neighbors. Oh man, what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Oh,
Let's teleport!
teleport. We'll go teleport to our friend's house and we'll go trick-or-treating with them, okay? All right, here we go. All right, we're here at our friend's house. Let's get your costume on.
Oh yeah!
There it is.
Everything's cool.
Buzz Lightyear.
Where's the mess?
Oh yeah. Whoa, man, that's a cool costume, Buzz. Who made that for you?
You?
Uh-huh. Homemade costumes are the best, huh?
Yeah. Like this video, you think homemade costumes are the best.
Good morning. It is a new day. Got the yard cleaned up from the other weekend. Mostly.
Ryan's
That's good
birthday,
enough. A little
so
broken fan there on the ground. Whatever. And today's a special day. Why?
Because it's Ryan's birthday.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me.
And want to try this limbo the second.
Having a little party today, so we're gonna get some chores knocked out before people get here. Gotta go take care of the meat chickens and the little baby chicks, make sure they got plenty of food and water. So let's get it done. There you go, go ahead. Go free. Chores completed. All right, I'm gonna go inside now and get some house chores done, clean up a little bit before people start showing up. And I will see y'all at the party. What is up, y'all? Today is chicken processing day. Last night, we had a big cold front come in, and when we woke up at 8 this morning to get started processing, it was like in the 30s, which compared to yesterday, it was in the high 70s, low 80s, so whatever. These are the meat chickens that we'll be processing today. These are all Cornish cross. We got 24 of them in here today. Let's get started. All right, we are all finished parting out our chickens. We got all of our quarters here, our breasts here, got some tenders. We left 2 of them whole. Pretty decent day of slaughtering, 24 chickens in total. We started about 10 o'clock this morning and got done. Right now it's 5:30, so about 7.5 hours processing time, and that was just 2 of us, so not too bad. Obviously, if you had more people out here, it'd go a lot faster and everything, so. All right, Sam, you ready to go to the football game?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I got your stickers on. Let's see. Oh, awesome. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you look like a real football player. Let's go. All right, let's go. All right, we got us some covered seats and some popcorn. Let's watch us some football. Look at Ken, they scored a touchdown.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh, look at this little cutie. Let's hear your yell, Sam. Oh, right, perfect. High five.
Commander of the combined band is Cadet Colonel Cameron Palomino. Head drum major is Cadet Lieutenant Colonel. Before you on the playing field is the pulse of the spirit of Aggieland, the Fighting Texas Aggie Band.
Woo! Well, that was fun, but it's cold, wet, and rainy. I think we're gonna go home and call it a day. We will see y'all on the next video. Get 'em!